welcome back to another Chase episode. Finally I can put out another episode. It's been, I don't know, over a month since I've uploaded an actual episode, purely because I've just been waiting on the engine to be machined, the head to be machined, and just waiting on the time where Tom can help me build the engine. So I've already been to Tom's at the block, and we've already put the crank in just to measure the clearances and make sure everything's all good with that. So I'm heading to Tom's now. I've got the head, I've got everything as you've seen me load into the ute, and so we'll head there now and we can get it finally building this motor, then we can start putting it all back together. Righto, at Tom's shed. Got the 1J. I took it into work and gave it a big coat of black, but so far it's been decked, it's been honed out. We put the crank in with all the new main bearings and thrust bearings and checked for clearances. So now we just gotta put the rods and pistons in, head. Righto, so that's the engine done, put together, it's all good to go. So I'm gonna go pick it up now, take it to Chris's place where the chaser is, then assemble it all, put all the intake manifold, exhaust manifold on. Let's go to Tom's, pick up this engine and take it to Chris's. So we're back at Chris's place. Gonna get the engine off the stand and kind of finally back here. So I got the engine all wrapped up. I'm gonna come in on the weekend and start putting it all back together and finally get it back in. So I'll do it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll start filming it in 2 days. So finally get the day, like the kind of weekly videos keep going. So then probably I'll do tomorrow on Saturday. I'll pull the chaser out. I'll give it a wash because having it this dirty just, yeah, it hurts to see because I usually always have it clean. But yeah, I'll give it a good wash, get everything clean, then start putting it back together. So, cheers for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.